Hello, my name is John. I work at Mountain Outfitters, and today we are going to talk about e-bikes. An e-bike is simply a bicycle that has an electric motor that is powered by both a battery and by pedaling.
Are all e-bikes created equal?
They're definitely not. So in general, there are three classes of e-bikes. Your class one is going to be a bike like this, pedal assist only up to 20 miles an hour. The second class, number two, is going to be something that you see more on online bikes, less frequently in a shop. Those are going to be a pedal assist with an electric throttle up to 20 miles an hour. The third classification, number three, is going to be higher end bikes, less of a comfort bike, more performance type mountain bike. Those are going to be pedal assist only up to 28 miles an hour. An e-bike really is for anybody. So everybody thinks, ooh, an e-bike, it's either going to be like a motorcycle or I don't have to do any work. That is not correct. This bike will function when you put effort into it. E-bikes are regulated. At this time, it varies from state to state and can vary by municipality. So if you're going to ride on public trails, it's a really good idea to check with your local laws and abide by those. Like any bicycle, you're going to want a minimal amount of equipment that you should be using. One is a helmet. Helmets are very important. Bright clothing is a must. You want other drivers to be able to see you clearly in all conditions. Lights. Lights on an e-bike are, in my opinion, essential. You're essentially driving with cars at their speed, and they have to be able to see you. Making sure that your tires are pumped up full is going to give you the best economy as well as control, braking and accelerating. Also make sure that your bike is functioning properly before you ride. Minimally check your brakes, make sure everything's working. When you first get on it, shift, make sure your gears are working and nothing is binding or getting caught. Most people driving automobiles are not going to have any clue what to do around you. They have a hard enough time with pedal bikes. When you can go as fast as they do, they may think they can pass you and make a quick turn. Well, you've got to be looking for them. So as regards to that, a mirror is very helpful. To have that and be able to see your blind spot, really, really important. You have to yield to the cars.
Hi, this is Jim from West Bend Mutual Insurance, and I first of all want to thank our friends at the Mountain Outfitters for giving us a lot of great information on e-bikes. I learned a lot, and it's the time of year to be thinking about bikes as the weather warms up. For West Bend, if you buy an e-bike that goes 20 miles an hour or less, that's going to be covered under your homeowner's policy the same way any other bicycle would be. If you happen to buy one of these models John talked about that goes faster than that, we will still provide coverage, but you're going to actually have to ask for that to be endorsed onto your policy. My number one piece of advice is call your independent agent. They're very knowledgeable. It's why you have an agent, and let them guide you as to what you need to do with your e-bike. And beyond that, happy riding.